still look good. Oh, what does Chinese have here today?
Oh.
An AEM fuel pump? Wow.
Mattress isn't on this one either, right? Okay, cool.
340 liters per hour?
I already looked at it too. I had to open it. I was like, dude.
Damn, Chinese.
It looks really nice.
Chinese is trying to get ready for a tune, boys. Well, you guys watched my video when I did my install. Bloop. Same pump. It just has the hooks on it for updated WX stuff. But Chins, why do we have your hood open if we are doing a fuel pump? What could we possibly be doing?
We have this big box.
Oh my goodness, what are we doing that could possibly go in here? Are you getting a new battery?
Possibly. Something like that.
Are you getting a battery upgrade, huh, Chins?
Yeah. That's gonna be a bigger battery.
A bigger battery? You're a fucking fool. Whoa!
Ooh.
I saw that paper. What does that say?
What is that?
Process West? Ew! Verticooler? Pull this bitch out, Chins. It's time to ditch the Lunchable, boys. AKA this thing they call it intercooler. New duct? What? I didn't know it comes with a new duct.
Yeah, I didn't know either.
I've never unboxed a Process West intercooler before.
Wow.
Damn, Chins, pull it out.
There's the main attraction right there.
Show us your pull-out game, baby.
It was pretty heavy.
Probably hardware.
The hardware, yeah.
Maybe bracketing with it. Oh, pull-out game strong.
This is heavier than I expected it to be.
Dude, look at this thick boy, though. Holy shit. I never knew it was this thick. Fuck, dude.
You had never ordered one of these?
I don't use Process West because it's for the WX. It's a verticooler. But goddamn, dude.
Dude, this thing's
That's
fucking heavy, bro.
Fucking thick boy. Look at this shit. What the? Oh my god, we're gonna compare it to the stock one. We're gonna compare it to the stock one when we pull that stock one out. So in the box, mini box, we have. Okay, that's the little coupler. What else you got in there? Oh, this might be for a bypass valve, or it's for the. I think this might be a bypass valve hose.
And yeah, you were right. The hardware.
Hardware. Damn, and two big ass brackets.
Then another extra little.
Like oh, that's for the you have to connect to the turbo. You know, WX has the VF52, and you have to have 2 bolts on it, and some Process West stickers. It's also verticooler equipped. That's fucking rich.
Let's go.
Damn, dude, they have everything started out. So
These things are pretty fucking heavy, dude. This whole thing was like, I think it's like, they weighed it at like 8 pounds. Like the whole box.
8 pounds for the box. Let me see. I'm gonna see how hefty the intercooler is. Hold on. Let's see. My camera up.
Exaggerating.
But it is. It's pretty like beefy though, dude. This thing feels solid. That's what's on the menu today, ladies. We are installing Chins' verticooler. He has a fuel pump, and I have nothing. Why are my friends buying parts and I ain't getting shit? Poor Subaru. Well, I mean, what else do I really need to do? I mean, I've already gone balls deep. I'm not going balls deep on this car. All I really want to get is injectors, flex fuel kit, and then a tune, and I'll be done. Well, and then we'll do cosmetic shit, because I do want to get my car tuned. But look, I cut my hair too, looking fresh. Face is trimmed down. Do I look normal again? I don't know. I should stop looking at myself and get to work, because this is what we need to get this thing started. Car's still kind of hot because Chin's this guy here, and he just pulled up in front of my garage, so. Taking everything nice and slow. Let's do this. We got the tools ready. We got the intercooler ready. We got the food on the way. It's time to get started on this puppy. Yeah, I'm making Chins do a lot of the work. I'm gonna stay here and just relax.
So look.
Damn, Chins, that's you. Okay, now Chin, show us the guy she tells you not to worry about. Hold on. What the fuck is this?
Look how fucking beefy this thing is.
Look at this fucking Lunchable, bro. With those shit on the ground. Fuck. For the content. Yes, sir. Look what Adriel just showed up with right now. By the way, Adriel's here. Look at this dude.
What's up?
Car right there. Look what he just pulled up with right now.
You want me to hold it? So,
Oh, I got it right here on camera. Don't worry.
Okay.
Look at this thing. Damn, boy. My man's out here flexing with the blob eye. Maybe I should get some stock BBS wheels now to match this shit. Yes, sir. Oh my god, we need to continue. We took a lunch break. It's a prank, it's a prank, all over the camera, it's a prank, it's a prank, it's a prank, Chins, it's a prank. It was just a prank, bro, it was just a prank. Show us your pull-out game. What are we saying about your pull-out game right now?
It's actually pretty weak.
Just so I don't have to worry about it.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Did it move that? Can I? Can I? Can I?
Yes, Daddy! Oh yes, pull harder. Stairs.
Dude.
Huh. Pretty fit.
Slipped right in.
Chins, how do you feel about your new intercooler?
It feels good, dude. It looks really nice. I love how it came out. Overall, dude, fucking it's great. Came together.
Hype, Chins!
I'm super hyped. Next, we'll have to find out. On the next episode.
Oh shit. When's the tune coming, Chinnies?
A little bit more stuff coming before, and then we'll go get the tune.
E85 maybe?
Maybe.
Oh! I'm trying to get them big boy numbers, ladies. Chins is legit trying to hit them big boy numbers. He doesn't know if he's going to do 85 yet. We don't know what Chins has left in store for the car. We know we're just taking it day by day. He's got his intercooler, got his intake, got his catted downpipe, has his catback exhaust. Well, shit, all he needs now is injectors and a flex fuel kit, and we're ready. We are ready. I think that's about it, but then we just got to do all the cosmetic shit after the tune comes, you know. This car's not done. This car is far from done, just like mine.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
We're both not done, dude. Chins also wants to wrap his car. He still needs his coils, still needs his wheels. I want to wrap the STI. My STI. I don't know. I know a color already. I do have a color in my head already. Am I going to say it? Of course I'm not going to say it. I'm going to make y'all stay tuned so you have a reason to come back, you know? Hi, kitty. Blue button or blinking button?
Blinking button.
And action. Oh, now you're here, huh? You want me on camera, Shane?
No thanks.
No thanks. You guys want to see me? What's up? It's your boy! It's your boy, yo! This is the only halogen bulb in my house. Don't ask why. I don't even know why. Yeah, boy! How do you like your intercooler, Chins?
Oh, it's cool, man. It's really cool. We gotta wait until I get that tune, and then that's where it's gonna come in, you know, to show all those hearse purse.
Hearse purse. I did hearse purse. Oh, it's almost done. What are we doing? That is the question. Let me give you a sneak peek of what we're doing. Okay. Sneak peek. Y'all see me in the streets, you know what to do. Scan me. Try scanning your screen right now and see if it works.